Hello, coffee lovers! Today we're making a delicious spiced maple mocha, a cozy drink that combines rich chocolate, smooth coffee, sweet maple syrup, and warming spices. It's the perfect homemade treat for cool mornings, relaxing afternoons, or whenever you need a comforting caffeine boost. This easy recipe tastes like a specialty cafe drink but is simple enough to make at home. Ingredients: 1 cup freshly brewed strong coffee, or 2 shots espresso, 1 cup milk, or non-daired. 2 tablespoons maple syrup, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/8 teaspoon ground nutmeg, pinch of ground ginger, whipped cream. Extra cinnamon for garnish. Directions: begin by brewing a fresh cup of strong coffee, or preparing 2 shots of espresso. Set aside while you prepare the mocha mixture. In a small saucepan over medium heat, combine the milk, cocoa powder, maple syrup, cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger. Whisk continuously until the cocoa powder dissolves completely and the mixture becomes smooth and creamy. Heat gently until warm, but avoid boiling. Once heated, remove the saucepan from the heat and slowly pour in the freshly brewed coffee or espresso. Stir well to combine all the flavors into a rich, aromatic beverage. Pour the spiced maple mocha into your favorite mug. If desired, top with a generous swirl of whipped cream for extra indulgence. Sprinkle a little cinnamon over the top for a beautiful finish and added warmth. Serve immediately and enjoy the comforting blend of chocolate, maple sweetness, and cozy spices. This drink is perfect for autumn mornings, winter evenings, or any time you crave a cafe-quality mocha made right in your own kitchen. Thank you for watching. We hope this spiced maple mocha brings warmth and comfort to your day. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious coffee creations. Share your favorite coffee flavors in the comments below. Until next time, stay cozy, stay caffeinated, and enjoy every sip of your homemade masterpiece. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinyurl.com/3coffeelover.